In this episode, we'll be looking at the TTX complete front-end coverage for the popular GM truck and SUVs based on the K2XX platform. Now, these include vehicles like the 1500 Chevy Silverado, GMC Sierra, Cadillac Escalade, Chevy Suburban, Tahoe, and Yukon, just to name a few.
So Victor, tell me about what kind of offering we have for this application and maybe what are the upgrades that are included in this TTX line?
Well, we have the complete front-end offering for the K2XX platform, including the upper and lower control arms, front and rear stabilizer links, outer tie rod ends, and these new upper and lower ball joints that cater to the later vehicles that use stamped steel control arms.
Yeah, we already had the ball joints for the aluminum and the cast iron lower control arms, and the upper control arms for the earlier models were unitized, meaning you couldn't just replace the ball joint. However, GM has since come out with a stamped steel version, and we can now accommodate those with these TTX ball joints as well.
Upgraded, of course, with sintered bearings, corrosion-resistant coatings, application-specific boot designs, and our patented step bearing. Everything you'd expect from a TTX part.
Okay, Victor, so what about this tie rod end and stabilizer link?
So with the tie rod end, we've upgraded the forging to this hex design. That makes it a lot stronger and makes it easier for the technician to install. The ball joint's also been upgraded with sintered bearings and our patented locking boot. The stabilizer link is corrosion resistant and has upgraded bushings, and it features this unique barrel nut system that makes installation a breeze and also ensures that the bushings aren't overcompressed or undercompressed during installation.
TTX for the whole vehicle, and awesome solutions for a very, very popular platform.